Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Slonyane, better known as Kitty Ladies. So today, as you can see by the title of the video, we are doing our hair. If you're a new subscriber, welcome baby. This is home get settled. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome my OG. So I don't think I'm gonna talk much because yeah, I'll be trying to concentrate because it's been long since I've done this. So we'll be doing it, so like my mirror will be this side, so you'll be seeing me looking at this direction. So for those who do not know, I've just started my journey with having dreadlocks, so that is why they look so short and they look like noodles. Yeah, so I'm trying to part them and get them out of the way, like that side nigga in your relationship. I'm getting them out of the way so that I can be able to work with the little hair that I have. Why you did that? They hit your man, you ain't get no strainer. How you live with that? She fucked the hood. How you lay and have a kid with that? But your look go to especially who go, yeah, I did that. Kick more shit than you, Lord. She like, I did. How you get that shit? You got her man and on your hoe. I had mentioned that it had been a while since I have braided my hair. I was now questioning my decisions, all my life decisions. But then there's no exact technique for braiding your hair. You just have to work with what works for you. For me personally, you can notice that I lean a lot on my left. I am naturally left-handed, so I work better my left side. So you just have to try and trust the process. You can see that my first braid was a bit crooked, but that doesn't have to discourage you. You have to try until you like get used to it, like the relationship that you keep forcing with that guy. So you have to bring the same spirit here and keep trying until it works. My arms were complaining, but we had like a short way to go. Right now we're about to finish, so I was using this styling gel for this edge control gel for my edges because now it's the front. If you are braiding yourself, the most important thing to do, or the most important recipe, is concentrating more on the front, because you can't see yourself in the back, but you have to try by all means to make it look good. But in the front you can see yourself, so you have to try to make it perfect. So that is why I'm using this edge control gel that I got from Clicks. It is very cheap, you guys.
Yeah. Leave me out of comments, leave me out of nonsense. Speaking out of context, people need some content. Niggas trying to keep up, shit is not a contest. Whipping bands concept, heaven sent, God sent. At least that's what my mom says. Proof is in the progress.
Guys, as you go on with braiding your hair, your braid becomes more perfect. At this point, my hands were used to this and I was going on like a machine, honey.
You know how my job get, barking up the wrong tree. You know how the dogs get, haven't fallen off yet. Come with a classic, they gon' ride years later and say it's a sleeper. The ears are red, the panty is real. Michael clients for a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Letitia, Alinda Felicia. She came for me twice, I didn't even know her once. She know I'm a pleaser. 42 millimeter was made in Geneva. Yeah, I probably should go to your.
So guys, at this point my extensions were finished, so now I had to use these black ones. I didn't even know if there's process was gonna come out well, because I was not willing to stay another day without finishing my hair off and wait for myself to go buy extensions, because I knew I was going to buy extensions late. So I can't. I had to compromise. We had to compromise, guys.
Tell me why you're crying, oh can you be you? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you know that's already. When I found you on the ground, you were dying. Now you come to my yard uninvited. Can you see me on the edge? I'm alive. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be clear. Tell me now, I need you to be clear. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Get me. Can you put the time on a rewind? Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that we're fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns run around, run away as the rebel comes out. Then you call on me when you call me, I come, but there you go again with your deaf ears. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from a life of the whole?
So by now, when I finished trimming my braids, I was blow drying them so that I can burn the excess hairs that are poking out, or the excess extensions that are poking out the braids, before I build them.
Take it, just don't deep and live my life. Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life.
Guys, so here we are done with our braids, baby. This took me like 8 hours, yeah, because like 8 hours, you guys. So yeah, this is how they came out. So I told you guys to trust the process. Here we are. Told you guys to trust the process. We are looking cute, and thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short video of
I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking